Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has been used for centuries as a traditional remedy and natural health booster. Packed with beneficial compounds, enzymes, and minerals, it has garnered attention for its potential to support various aspects of our well-being. If you've been curious about this magical elixir, you're in the right place. Make sure to stay with us until the end of this video since we are uncovering the top health benefits of apple cider vinegar. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's discover the wonders of apple cider vinegar together. Let's start with digestive health. Apple cider vinegar has gained popularity for its potential digestive health benefits. It is believed to support digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and promoting a healthy gut environment. Here's a closer look at how ACV can positively impact your digestive system. One of the key components of ACV is acetic acid, which has been shown to help break down food and improve nutrient absorption. By increasing the production of digestive enzymes, ACV can aid in the breakdown of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, making it easier for your body to extract essential nutrients from the foods you consume. ACV may also help alleviate common digestive issues. For example, if you experience occasional indigestion, bloating, or acid reflux, incorporating ACV into your routine might provide relief. It is believed that the acidic nature of ACV can help balance the pH level in the stomach, potentially reducing the discomfort associated with these conditions. Another way ACV supports digestive health is by promoting regular bowel movements. The natural compounds found in ACV, such as pectin, can act as a gentle laxative, aiding in bowel regularity. Additionally, ACV may help maintain a healthy gut microbiome by inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria and promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. What's more, apple cider vinegar has been studied for its potential to help regulate blood sugar levels. While more research is needed to fully understand its effects, some studies suggest that ACV may offer benefits for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar. Here's a closer look at how ACV can potentially impact blood sugar regulation. ACV may improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Insulin is a hormone that helps transport glucose, sugar, from the bloodstream into cells for energy. When cells become resistant to the effects of insulin, it can lead to elevated blood sugar levels, potentially increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Studies have shown that consuming ACV before a high-carbohydrate meal can reduce the post-meal spike in blood sugar levels. The acetic acid in ACV is believed to inhibit certain enzymes that break down carbohydrates, slowing down the digestion and absorption of sugars. This, in turn, can help prevent sharp increases in blood sugar levels after meals. ACV may also improve insulin function and production. Some research suggests that ACV can support the pancreas, the organ responsible for producing insulin, and enhance insulin sensitivity in skeletal muscle cells. By improving insulin function, ACV may contribute to better blood sugar control. It's important to note that while ACV shows promise, it should not replace other diabetes management strategies, such as medication or a balanced diet. If you have diabetes or are at risk of developing it, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice on managing blood sugar levels. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Apple cider vinegar has gained attention for its potential to aid in weight management. While it's not a magic solution for weight loss, incorporating it into a healthy lifestyle may offer some benefits. Apple cider vinegar may help promote feelings of fullness and reduce calorie intake. The acetic acid in ACV has been shown to delay stomach emptying, which can help you feel satisfied for longer periods after a meal. This can potentially lead to reduced calorie consumption throughout the day and support weight loss or weight maintenance efforts. Additionally, ACV may help regulate blood sugar levels. When blood sugar levels are stable, it can minimize cravings and prevent excessive snacking. Another way ACV may support weight management is by boosting metabolism. While the effects may be modest, some research suggests that ACV can increase fat burning and improve metabolic rate. However, it's important to note that these effects are likely to be more pronounced when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. But the benefits don't stop there. Apple cider vinegar has been associated with potential anti-inflammatory properties, which can have various health benefits. While more research is needed to fully understand its mechanisms of action, ACV has shown promise in reducing inflammation in certain studies. Let's explore how ACV may exhibit anti-inflammatory effects. ACV contains acetic acid, a main component that is believed to contribute to its anti-inflammatory properties. Acetic acid has been shown to inhibit the activity of certain enzymes involved in the inflammatory process, thereby reducing inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to the development of various health conditions, including cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. By helping to reduce inflammation, ACV may have the potential to contribute to overall health and well-being. It's important to note that while ACV may have anti-inflammatory properties, it should not be considered a cure-all or a substitute for medical treatment. If you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for proper evaluation and guidance. Let's not forget about skin health. ACV has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, which can help combat certain skin issues. It may be used topically to help address acne breakouts caused by bacteria or fungal infections. However, it's important to note that ACV should always be diluted before applying it to the skin to avoid irritation or adverse reactions. Apple cider vinegar may also help balance the skin's pH level. The skin's natural pH is slightly acidic, and disruptions in this balance can lead to dryness, irritation, and other skin problems. ACV's acidic nature can help restore the skin's pH level, promoting a healthier environment for the skin, and potentially reducing issues like acne, eczema, or dandruff. Furthermore, ACV is known for its exfoliating properties. It contains alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, that help remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and promote a smoother complexion. Regular use of ACV as a toner or in facial masks may help improve skin texture and enhance the overall appearance of the skin. Please remember, it's crucial to exercise caution and moderation when using any natural remedy or dietary supplement, including apple cider vinegar. While ACV has been associated with potential health benefits, it may not be suitable for everyone or may interact with certain medications or health conditions. ACV can be a potential addition to your wellness routine, but it's important to integrate it wisely and in partnership with healthcare professionals. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.